How you doing today? I've got some mugs to throw, a couple dozen. I'm just getting the first parts of it done. Promised to do 25 of them this week, and so it's Monday. These are going to be espresso mugs, kind of a little bit larger bodied and open mouth for the latte artists, baristas, to do some latte art. I said espresso, but it really is lattes. They like these big cups with the big openings so that they can do all their stars and flowers and hearts in them. I have to throw a few of them, so I'm just going through the process of doing that, and thought about making a video of it real quick. And so I went and found the camera and trying to describe the process, because it really is just a consistent repetition. Some of the most beautiful things about the espresso cups and the latte cups are the handles and the body of them. So I enjoy doing them. Pretty quick. If I wasn't talking and carrying on, I could turn one out a minute, and about every 2 minutes or so, and so when I get on a roll, I'm pretty quick with it. I have a clock up here on the right, kind of pay attention to it once in a while and try to see what it actually is, timing wise. I clean up the bottom as much as I need to make it so the piece doesn't have to be trimmed. Just about done. Minimal amount of effort to get it finished, and so the process is critical. I like that little foot trimmer to trim a little foot on it, so it's shaped and all in one fell swoop. Then I put a stamp on it of some kind. It'll have a Pegasus or a star, and sometimes the logo for the coffee shop, Morning Day Cafe. I really like Miranda. She's really quite neat person-wise. She's got a great crew there up in Liberty, so if you happen to get up there and want to stop there, she's right on the square. So I center it up, open it up to the required depth. Easy on, easy off, so it keeps the form nice and stable. Compress the rim a little bit. Push it in from the outside and bring it up. A little more rim compression to keep it from being wonky. One more pull, and I'm shaping it as I do it. Pushing in from the outside, pushing out from the inside. Makes a nice clean form in the bottom of the cup. And this guy's a little fat, but that's alright. I'll put a handle on him. Later today, when they're just a little stiffer, and put the stamp in the side of it and make it nice. Center it up. Round it up. Just enough water on it to make it nice and slippery. Slip. Open it up to the bottom of the form. Expand the form to the sides. Great process. Just enough water on the form, on the clay, to keep it nice and slippery. Keep a little bit of compression on the rim so it doesn't become wonky. First pull, second pull, easy on, easy off. Shape it as I come up. And voila! Make the rim nice and round to fit be comfortable. Fix the bottom. Wire it off. Dry my hands just enough to make it so I could pick it up. And then repeat. Kind of expect a friend to show up at any minute. He said to be over around 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and it's around 12:30, 1 o'clock. So if he shows up, I'll have to go get the door.